Jayco's popular camping trailer lineup is touting some big changes for 2015, starting with the lineup itself. For the new model year, Jayco is rolling out its complete hardwall line, featuring 2 new quick setup floor plans with multiple front storage configurations. These new hardwall models join the affordable J-Series Sport lineup. Meanwhile, the rugged Baja 1001 XR joins the popular J-Series lineup. This series continues to boast 5 lifetime component warranties on the lifter system, bed platform, roof, frame, and floor. Inside J-Series, we introduced a swing-down style galley for easy setup. The entire camping trailer line features modified graphics, champagne-colored sidewalls, and matching tent color for a little added pop in the campground.